Hello friends, in this video we will learn that how can we create hoverable dropdown in HTML. So firstly let's open Visual Studio Code application. Now let's choose the folder. Now this folder is perfect. Now let's create a new file here, which will be Hoverable Dropdown.html like this. Now firstly let's type the coding of all main tags in HTML. Like first is HTML tag, then there is head tag, after head tag there is body tag. Now firstly in head tag let's type a title by typing the title tag coding, and then inside this title tag we will type the title, and the title will be Hoverable Dropdown. Now let's type here the coding of style tag. So firstly in the body tag we have to type the coding of div tag, and now give a class to this div tag, and the class will be dropdown. And after typing like this, let's type here span tag like this. Okay, now inside this span tag we will type mouse over me, or you can type any other thing. Now when we take our mouse on this text, then I want a drop down menu under this text. So after typing like this, inside the first div tag you have to create one more div tag and give the class, and the class will be drop down content. Dropdown dash content. And then inside this div tag type the coding of p tag, and inside p tag you have to type the coding of any text you want in drop down menu. Now the coding, let's see the output one time. This is the output, but this is not a drop down menu right now, so we will give some CSS to it and we will change this text into drop down menu. So let's go to style tag, and firstly let's style the this first div called with the class dropdown. So let's type here dot dropdown. Now the styles will be position, and the position will be relative, and then there will be display, and the display will be inline block, this one. And now let's style this second div with the class dropdown content. So hit enter and then write dot drop down dash content and then bracket. So first style will be display with display none, this one. Then there will be position, and position will be absolute. And then there will be background color. I can give here, I will type here hex code, and I have hex code is F9 F9 F9. So it is a light gray color. Then let's write here min dash width, and it will be 160 pixel. Then there will be padding. I will give padding of 12 pixel and 16 pixel. After typing 12 pixel, you have to give a space and then type 16 pixel, and then type here Z index, this one, and inside this Z index there will be 1. Now the last style we have to give is a dot drop down, and then you have to use it like this, and then hover, and then give a space, then give dot, then drop down content. You have to type drop down content, and now here will be display block. Now let's see the output. See, here is my mouse cursor. Let me zoom in. See, here is my mouse cursor. When I take it to this text called mouse over me, it is displaying hello world, which we type in the drop down content div, means with the class drop down content. Now my cursor is over here. You can see that here is no hello world, see, and then when I take this cursor onto this text, you can see here is hello world. So like this you can create hoverable drop down. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye friends.